So today we'll concentrate on our next interview question, that is, what is web service? What is web service and what are the uses and uses? So that we can discuss here now. This is one of the major and important interview question. Without this knowledge in Android, you never get a job also. So first of all, what is web service? In a simple way, it has lot of definitions. It has lot of definitions. In a simple way, what is web service is nothing but communication between client and server. Between client and server. So what is this? What is communication between client and server? Here, what is client and what is server? So what is client? Client is nothing but here our Android application. Android application is communicating with the server. But what is server? Server is nothing but where we are hosting our data. Like see here now example, simple example. You can take any e-commerce application, Amazon or Flipkart. It has app as well as a web application. I can able to log in my account in app as well as in a web server also. So if we log in there here, how this communication is happening? That is nothing but here. See here, simple example here. Android my application is built with Java. This is our application Android. Let us consider that Amazon application, web application, as built with .NET. Then how this is communicating? See here, this is our Android application. This is web application. If it is web application, this Android application, how this is communicating? Here, this communication, see, even though like iOS application also there, so this communication is happening with one of the common, that is called here web service layer or API. This we call as a API layer. This API layer is nothing but here it's a web service here. Web service. Web service. Then what happens here? After this web service, here is the database. So from here to here, we are sending this database. Database means from the Android application or from the iOS application or from the web application, we can send request up to this API. Then API can get the data and request from this. So this is nothing but in a web service concept. Means here what happens, one common communication channel or mediator between the database as well as the client. So that is nothing but here web service. It has lot of definitions. Different people can say this different definitions. So some of the other definition is a web service. Just I'll give you this full description in a comment. Just you can check there. So a web service is any piece of software that makes itself available for internet and uses. Means here what happens, simple way, if one web service is ready, it's available for internet for everyone. Like here I want my company employees data. I requested company employees data who are presented today. I want this who are presented today. Okay, first a person requested from Android, B person from iOS, C person requested from web application. Like simple example, I'm comparing only with this. What happens if I'm communicating this, let us consider here there is no this. Then I'm communicating here to here. He is communicating, iOS also communicating here to here. Then that time what happens? He is writing his own code, iOS people are writing his own code. So three people are writing three different own codes. Then some condition has changed in getting the data. Some condition has changed in a database side getting the data. Then these remaining three people need to again check this validation to write. But what happens instead of that, what I'm doing here is I'm sending the request to API, iOS, and web. Every person can send the request to here itself. So here one person can handle this complete API, this in this. That can be means here this API with this what we all understood is this web service is language independent. It's language independent. No dependency on this is no dependency on a language. It's a language independent. It's once web service is ready, I can use that web service in any language. That is the next point, independent of this. And communication is compared to normal regular, this communication is happened very fast. Communication is very fast. And we can define our own keys. Self keys is nothing but we can define our own keys to get the data. And other web services are this. There are other web services are different types are there, but that will come as a different thing. But here simple way when you interviewer ask this simply you can say this web service is the communication between the client and server, because in between database and the client there is a one layer. That layer is nothing but here web service layer, it can be created, that we called as an API layer. So what happens if it is created like this means here simple way we can have communication from any of the language without depending on the database architecture and all. So that is simple definition for this. So we'll come next to things what are the types and all, we'll go with a separate. So thank you.